Hello, and welcome to the 3S patch module installation video. The Wirewerks NextSTEP 3S patch module is one of the series of slide-in NextSTEP 3 series fiber management modules. They are fully compatible with all NextSTEP patch panels and enclosures. The NextSTEP 3 series modules occupy 3 horizontal slots in the NextSTEP panels and enclosures. The module is designed to support the fiber network architecture and designs that are often preferred in MSO and broadband networks, as well as some data center applications. Inside, you will find the mini splice tray and the 3S module instructional sheet, along with the splice sleeves and strain relief kit. The 3S module comes with a unique identification tray. It's located at the top of the module. The tray can easily be accessed by simply applying some pressure and sliding the tray forward or backwards, as shown here. When the tray is engaged forward, the lab test results for each pigtail is clearly unveiled to you on a sticker as shown here. The cover of the 3S module contains 6 locking clips. To remove the cover, simply pull up on the back clips, pull back to disengage all 6 clips, next, remove the rear plate by simply lifting upwards. You will now have access to the internal components. The adapter strip has a locking tab on each opposite side, shown here. To disengage the locking tabs, simply apply pressure outwards on the frame of the module and lift up the adapter strip at the same time. Great! Now that your adapter strip is disengaged, you can now remove both the mini splice tray and the adapter strip from the module by simply lifting them up. Next, remove the transparent tray cover and carefully unwind the pigtails out of the tray. In preparation for fusion splicing, we recommend that you measure a length of 22 inches, following the connectors, and proceed to cut your measured length. Once your fusion splices are done, route and secure your fibers utilizing the cable management system and magnetic splice sleeve holder. Please refer to the mini splice tray installation video for more information. Go ahead and place your mini splice tray and adapter strip carefully back in place. Now apply some pressure on the adapter strip. A clicking sound is a good indication that it's securely fastened. If your splice solution resembles something like this, and you're required to add another 12 connections, simply stack another mini splice tray on top of the other, and watch how the splice tray magnets hold each other in place. Finally, place the cover back on by aligning the 6 guided holes with the 6 clips shown here. Apply some pressure on each connection point. Again, a clicking sound is a good indication that it's secured and fastened in place. Next, slide your cover forward in the direction of the pigtails to lock the cover in place. Make sure that the back tabs are also fastened in the proper position, as shown here. Apply some pressure to lock it in place if needed. That's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. For more videos, you can visit our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.wirewerks.com.